for somebody that's probably thinking business analyst, data analyst, or even if they thought about or wasn't too sure whether they wanted IT or digital marketing. A data technician actually fits nicely in with IT, because you can do IT support. As a data technician within Microsoft Excel, we'll be looking at Power Query. If you've never used Power Query, it's a fantastic way how to cleanse data, and I'll show you how to cleanse data using Power Query and really automating the process as well. The e-learning, which is the LinkedIn learning, you'll learn the essentials of Excel, business communication there. You've got analyst, how to analyze data, pivot table introductions, pivot chart introductions. As a data technician, Microsoft Excel is possibly going to be the main tool that you're going to be using. Features like Power Query, Power Pivot, your pivot tables, your pivot charts, which you've probably never used before. From day one, I'll start off on the basics, but we soon go into Power Query. We're using MySQL, tools like Google Jamboard. Apprenticeship, a fantastic resource that we've got is the LinkedIn learning, and from day one you'll be given the data technician learning path, and you really work through it at your own pace. As a data technician, you'll gather data from different sources. You'll pull it all together using Power Query into Microsoft Excel, and then you'll create those charts. And basically, you're going to be storytelling through those charts in Microsoft Excel, and presenting these at managers' meetings, so that business decisions can easily be made from what you've gathered from your data that you've produced. There's a function within Microsoft Excel which is called XLOOKUP, generally replacing VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, but you've got so much power with it, and you can return different values if something's not found. And it just lets you reference that data and pull values from that data in such a way that you couldn't do with VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. The data technician apprenticeship, if your role is business admin, you're working on Excel spreadsheets, you're working with data, which is a data technician. So you're pulling in that data, you're cleaning that data, you're presenting that data, and pointing out those future trends. The week that we do the Microsoft Excel training, we're covering the syllabus as well for the MO200 Microsoft exam, which is completely optional, which is an extra cost. But once you've completed the week's Excel training, by all means, you'll be ready for that exam.